What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about BDO JCB Gold Credit Card. Pag-uusapan natin yung perks and benefits, at the same time yung fees and charges, and then yung application requirements, at saka yung income requirement. Kasi of course, it's a credit card. Kapag nag-apply kayo, may certain income requirement para ma-approve kayo sa credit card application ninyo. At saka pag-uusapan din natin guys, yung annual fee. Kung magkano yung magiging annual fee ng credit card na ito, kasi it's a gold, so medyo mataas yung tier niya. At saka kung paano kayo magkaroon ng points sa credit card na ito. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang, kasi marami pa po akong i-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po, sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see guys, BDO GCB Gold. Ayan po yung credit card na sinasabi ko. GCB Gold Credit Card. Your card for lifestyle upgrade. So, di ba, social? JCB Gold Credit Card, great savings on daily spend. Enjoy your around deals, instant savings, and premium offers from our merchant partners nationwide. JCB Gold Credit Card, earn peso rewards on your spend. Receive peso points for your everyday, everywhere purchase. So, ito na guys kung paano kayo mag-earn ng points sa BDO JCB Credit Card ni BDO. So, nandito, what is BDO Credit Card Peso Rewards? BDO Credit Card Peso Rewards is a loyalty program wherein cardholders will earn 1 credit card peso point for every 1,000 pesos qualified spend, and where 1 credit card peso point is equivalent to 1 peso. So, yung 1,000 pesos purchase ninyo, may 1 credit card peso point. Tapos, yung 1 credit card peso point na yun is equivalent to 1 peso. Pwede rin siyang gamitin pang shopping credits or pambayad din ng credit card bills. Bakit nga ba sinasabi dito na qualified spend? Kasi hindi pwede guys yung kapag nag-installment kayo, halimbawa nag-installment kayo ng 50,000, baka isipin nyo na may 50 points din kayo. Hindi ganon. Kasi hindi kasama yung cash installment. Dapat yung bumili lang talaga kayo sa isang store, ginamit yung credit card ninyo, sinwipe, then na-charged. Ganun siya. Minsan guys, nagpo-promo sila, yung 1,000 pesos ninyo na single receipt, 2 points yung na-earn nyo. Depende siya sa promo, pa iba-iba siya ha. Then yun yung kung paano kayo makapag-earn ng points. Ngayon, balik tayo sa perks and benefits. JCB Gold Credit Card, free GCB Plaza Lounge access. So, enjoy the GCB Plaza Lounge located in tourist shopping areas in select cities globally. So, kung may GCB Plaza Lounge access, pwede po itong GCB Gold Credit Card. GCB Gold Credit Card, get travel insurance coverage of up to 10 million pesos. Charge your airline and other transportation tickets to your card and explore the world without worries. So, kailangan guys, yung ginamit yung credit card pag nagbili kayo ng ticket sa airplane or kung anumang adventure, dapat itong credit card na to, itong BDO JCB Gold Credit Card. Then ngayon, why you should choose guys BDO JCB Gold Credit Card? Free membership fee. First supplementary card holder is free for life. So ito guys, kapag nag-request kayo ng supplementary card, free for life po yung annual fee niya. Then yung second, may bayad na siya. Principal card holder and the succeeding supplementary card holders can enjoy free membership fee for the first year. So ito, yung first year na ito na annual fee ng BDO JCB Credit Card, BDO GCB Gold Credit Card is naka-waive siya on the anniversary date na kayo matcha-charge. Then GCB Airport Lounge, enjoy 6 free access to airport lounges in Japan and Hawaii. So kapag, ito kasi guys, GCB, Japan Credit Bureau. So kapag nasa Japan kayo, nandun yung medyo mas maraming perks and benefits na may enjoy nyo. Ito nakalagay, lounge in Japan. So sa Japan talaga siya. GCB Global Wi-Fi, stay connected wherever in Japan with GCB Global Wi-Fi. Enjoy an exclusive discount on Wi-Fi router rental. Installment programs, choose the financing options that suit your needs. Secure online shopping, make online shopping secure, lighter, and more enjoyable. Bills payment, pay your bills hassle-free with charge on demand and auto charge. Kapag gusto nyo, hindi nyo makalimutan yung mga binabayaran nyo, i-enroll nyo itong credit card na to sa auto charge demand para automatic siya mag-charge na lang during due date. Ngayon, move on tayo guys sa fees and charges. Pag-uusapan natin ngayon kung magkano yung annual fee ng credit card na ito. So as you can see guys, fees and charges. Principal card membership fee is 200 pesos per month. As you can see guys, nandiyan yung standard, classic, lucky cat. Dito tayo ngayon sa gold cards kasi gold ito siya. 200 pesos siya per month. Monthly yung charge ng annual fee neto, which is maganda kasi hindi ganun kabigat sa bulsa. Din yung monthly interest rate is 3%. Then, installment availment fee is 200 pesos for every approved cash installment transaction. 250 pesos naman for every approved balance transfer transactions. Then, 250 pesos for every approved balance convert peso transaction or $10 for every approved balance convert dollar transactions. 100 pesos for every approved purchase convert peso transaction or $5 for every approved purchase convert dollar transaction. Cash advance fee, 200 pesos or $3.30. So, yung cash advance fee guys is sa credit limit ninyo, merong amount doon na pwede nyo i-cash advance para kayo mag-withdraw ng savings ninyo. Pero utang yun mula sa credit card ninyo, which is 200 pesos yung charge bawat transaction. Maliban doon, may 3% na pinapatong kung magkano yung kinash advance ninyo. Halimbawa, 10,000 sa 3%, 300 pesos yung magiging monthly interest doon. Yung late payment charge naman is 850 pesos or $20. Last card replacement fee, halimbawa nawala yung credit card ninyo, nagka-problema, nasira ninyo, 400 pesos yung replacement fee. Then, yung installment processing fee is 5% of the total remaining balance for PHP denominated transaction. $10 denominated transactions, whichever is higher. Refund fee is 1% of the amount to be refunded. Ano tong refund fee guys? Halimbawa nag-overpayment kayo tapos gusto nyo ipa-refund, so 1% yung charge doon or 100 pesos, whichever is higher. Halimbawa kung hindi umabot ng 100 pesos yung 1% ng ipapa-refund nyo, automatic 100 pesos siya kasi whichever is higher. Then yung overseas card delivery fee is 2,500 pesos. Then ngayon guys, move on tayo sa application requirements. Check your qualifications. 21 to 60 years old for principal and at least 13 years old for supplementary card holders. Applicant must be a Filipino citizen or a foreigner who is a resident of the Philippines. Minimum gross fixed monthly income requirement. So ito ngayon guys, pag-uusapan natin yung income requirement ng BDO GCB Gold Credit Card. 33,000 pesos per month yung required income requirement. Then ngayon, gather documents, yung kailangan yung i-provide. Of course, hindi mawawala yung proof of identification for both primary and supplementary applicant. Filipino, any valid photo-bearing identification document, front and back. Government-issued ID, example is yung Philippine Identification System or PhilSys ID, passport, driver's license, SSS ID, etc. Kasi marami pa. Supplementary applicants who are studying may submit a valid school ID instead. So kapag wala pang valid ID yung supplementary ninyo, kung estudyante pa lang, pwede yung student ID. Sa foreigner naman is copy of employment contract or certificate of employment. Pangalawa is yung letter from embassy if embassy official. So ito guys, proof of income kailangan to of course. Dito magbe-base kung kayo ba ay approve or hindi kasi mangungutang kayo. So kung wala kayong proof of income, malamang hindi kayo ma-approve. Employed applicants, photocopy of latest income tax return or ITR duly stamped as received by the Bureau of Internal Revenue, BIR or BIR Form 2316 signed by employer's authorized representative, mandatory. So pag sinabing mandatory guys, kailangan na kailangan talaga siya at kailangan hindi siya mawala kasi mandatory siya. Pangalawa is plus any of the following. So any of the following: latest full month's pay slips, original certificate of employment indicating status, service tenure, and compensation breakdown, or if with existing credit cards, copy of at least 2 months statement of account of your credit card that is at least 1 year on book. Then para naman sa mga self-employed applicants, photocopy of latest income tax return or ITR duly stamped as received by the Bureau of Internal Revenue or BIR and audited financial statements for at least 2 years. So mandatory. So kailangan na kailangan to guys, yung AFS or yung audited financial statements. Then photocopy of the registration of business name, mandatory, DTI registration for single proprietorship or SEC registration for partnership or corporation. Pangatlo is last 3 months bank statements, optional. So kung wala, okay lang. Kung meron, maganda din. So I think that's all for now. So sana may na-share ako. It's me again, Joseph Kate. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Bye-bye!